Okay, so welcome back to Mr. G's lab, and we are going to be basically going over the types of chemical reactions. There's five main ones. One thing that I haven't taught you yet is basically we use S in parentheses for solid, G in parentheses. This will be on the bottom right next to the subscripts. G would be for gas. And then L in parentheses would be for liquid. So, um, so the way this lab works is you're going to write the type of reaction. So you'd click play on the video, and it'll pop up what type of reaction. So it is a decomposition reaction. So decomposition. Reaction. I'm just going to put RxN because I'm lazy. I don't want to write out the word reaction. So reaction, and if you think that's lazy, when I teach earth science, I write RX for rocks. Yeah. So observations before reaction. So you click play again. And some bad music. Okay, so you have a liquid with soap, coloring, and having potassium iodide. So you have a liquid, so you have H2O2. You're just writing what you see. Food coloring and soap. And then you also have the potassium iodide, food coloring, soap. And then you have the Ki, the potassium iodide. And you know that the H2O2 is a liquid. And let's see what the potassium iodide is. Okay, so the potassium iodide is a solid. and then you may watch your observation. Reaction. And up comes up a bunch of foam. That's the reason you put in the soap. The foam, and which has a gas in it. That gas would be oxygen. And then you also have steam. Steam is right there. Oh, can't. Oh well. So steam, which would be water. Water forms. So and that steam would be a gas as well. And put that in parentheses. So click play again. Hydrogen peroxide. It breaks down into oxygen. So another view of elephant toothpaste. Now, what are these people doing wrong? Oh yeah, they're not wearing any goggles. When they're working, would have blinded them. Now, so then the word equation is going to pop up, and you're going to pause it. And you're going to write the word equation. You do not have to write the skeletal equation, so you can write in the skeletal equation. So you're going to write hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide yields or makes oxygen gas and water. Okay. And then you click play again. But before you do, hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. And that is a liquid. And it is broken down into H2O2 plus O2. Let me erase that. I'm gonna pause this for a moment. And it's H2 plus O2. The Ki is a catalyst. It remains the same, so we don't include it in this equation. H2, oh, I'm sorry, H2O, H2O. So the H2O is the gas. Put that in parentheses. Oxygen is also a gas. And that, my friends, is it. That's what you're supposed to be doing on identifying chemical reactions. You have 4 others to do. You may have to look up the. Actually, I'll include them in the instructions as to what the individual um, compounds are. So that's it. It's awesome seeing you all again, and you have a fantastic rest of your day. And if you have questions, feel free to email me or text me or call me. Or you can also, if you're not in my class, you're welcome to leave a message in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Peace out.